Okay, so let's start with Facebook Marketplace. So if you're a student or if you're struggling to find any job, you can simply earn money in by just posting ads on Facebook Marketplace. I'll show you step by step how you can do that. You can sell any product in any country. So I'll be posting some furniture products in the UK as it's a trending item in the UK. So first, let's head over to the marketplace, and here you can see if I go to the selling section, you will see the listings which I have created. So how you can create that? Just simply click here on create new listing. Okay, here I have the option I can create multiple listings at a time or I can create one by one. So let's start by listing one item at a time. So let's click item for sale. You will get an interface like this. So first of all, we'll post a picture of our item which we'll be selling. So for this instance, I'll be uploading this bed. Okay, here's the title. Uh, Brand new. This bed is basically divan bed, or you can simply name it anything, whatever you call it. So brand new divan bed frame with mattress. Okay. Now let's head over to the price. I'll be simply writing the price of the one base only. So I won't be writing the price of the full bed because here the customer have the options. Either they go with just the bed frame or with mattress. So 99 pounds. Here in category I'll be selecting furniture. Okay, the condition, whatever the condition of your item is, you can select that. If you are selling your old items, you can simply choose used or used like new or used good. So I'll be selecting new. Okay, and I'll be leaving these columns empty. Here in the color section, I'll be writing the different color variations we have: black, gray, and white. Okay, here in the description, you can write down the details. For example, sizes available. Then I'll be writing again here what colors we have in this bed: white, gray, black. uh 1 year empty. Okay, if you have just a single bed, you can list as a single item, or if you have a lot of these beds in stock, you can simply click list as in stock. Then we have product tags. We'll be writing, sometimes you can simply search the tags from ChatGPT, or you can write it by yourself. Double beds, double bed with mattress, single bed, free delivery, etc. You can write up to 20 tags. Okay, in location, you can simply type in the location in which you are posting the ad. And here I'll be selecting all the different pickup options. We do deliveries as well, so I'll be selecting door drop off as well. Okay, then we simply click on next. If you want to post in local buy and sell groups, you can simply select those from here. I'll just be posting on Facebook Marketplace, so I'll just continue clicking publish. Yeah, so now my ad is under review, and after 3 to 4 minutes it will be live. So in this way you can simply post any product in any country and you can start earning money easily. If you have any questions, you can type in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.